So let's put on the laser rangefinder then. See what we have there. I'm going to look at something about 300 meters. So we're going to put the AI on, and we're just going to make sure that we have people selected. See if anything comes up. Nothing at the moment, but let's put on the alert. See what it comes up with. There we are. We've got a few yellow alerts. Now, this is quite interesting. You'll find, again, this is where you have to be careful with this AI and what it's suggesting. As we move into this pub garden, it's suspecting that these umbrellas, the parasols, are actually people. I mean, they would look like people normally, something out of Star Wars or something, but they're not. And this is the thing with AI, it is always learning. Let's take that off and let's put on vehicles. Lots and lots of vehicles. So we do the smart track, so we'll track this white vehicle here. And they'll just go up a little bit. Doing well. Yeah, it's showing what it's viewing as AI on the roads there. Its field of view. And that's the vehicle in the center that we're tracking. 700 meters away.
Reaching maximum altitude.